Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is yet again another day that God has blessed us with. Wherever you may be watching me from, this is Kaonga Samuel. Today I'll be taking you through probability part 1. So if you're in grade 9 and you're about to write your exams and you're in grade 12, this is a lesson for you because it will serve as a revision. Let's proceed. This lesson is going to concentrate on the basic concepts of probability. Basic concepts of probability. Pardon me. Let's look at the definitions that are going to be helpful as we look at probability. What is probability? What does it mean when we say probability? So probability simply means the likelihood of an event happening, the likelihood of an event taking place. How likely is it that this event is going to take place today? So that is what we call probability. Now take note. In maths, a probability is simply a proper fraction. In its basic form, a probability is simply a proper fraction. Now let's look at probability equations. Let's look at probability equations. The first equation is the equation that has to do with definition. So the probability of an event happening is given by the formula P of A is equal to the outcomes favorable to A, the outcomes that are favoring the occurrence of A over the total outcomes. The outcomes that are going to favor the occurrence of A over the total outcomes. So probability that an event is going to happen plus probability that an event is not going to happen is always equal to 1. That simply means that the probability that an event is going to happen, only the probability that an event is going to happen is going to give you 1 minus probability that an event is not going to happen. Also, the probability that an event is not going to happen is going to give you 1 minus the probability that an event is going to take place or it is going to happen. So these are basic probability equations that we are going to look at as we explore whatever is going to be valuable for us in this lesson. Now, let's look at example 1. The probability that Bethel will win the race is 3 out of 5. Find the probability that Bethel will lose the race. Question 2 of example 1. A letter is randomly chosen from the word geoma. Find the probability that the letter chosen is a vowel. A letter is randomly chosen from the word geoma. Find the probability that the letter chosen is a vowel. Let's jump into the solution slide. Okay, great. Here we are into the solution slide. So, you discover that the probability of losing the race is going to be given by the equation 1 minus the probability of winning the race. Now take note, the probability of winning the race has been given as 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. That simply means the probability that Bethel is going to lose the game or the race is going to be 1 minus that of winning. So that of winning has been given to us as 3 out of 5. Hence, the result is going to finally be the probability of Bethel losing that particular race is going to be 2 out of 5. Great. Now, it is so simple to really subtract a proper fraction from 1. Simply get the denominator less the numerator, and then express the result as express the result over the denominator. So as it is here, 1 minus 3 out of 5, the answer is going to give you 5 minus 2, rather 5 minus 3, it is going to give you 2. So the result is going to be 2 out of 5. Let's say 1 minus 7 out of 8, the answer is going to give you 1 out of 8. If we say 1 minus 23 out of 25, the answer is going to give you 2 out of 25. So this is very simple. I hope we are so far enjoying the video. Great. Great. So if you are new to this channel and you are so far enjoying this video, please consider liking the video. Like this video so that it can reach as many as possible, as many people as possible as we grow this channel. Consider subscribing. Don't just like the video, but subscribe to my channel so that we can grow this channel together. And then hit that bell notification icon so that the next time I'm going to upload another video on probability and many more topics, you are going to be notified. Great. To all of you that have already subscribed and you are following, I'm here to say I'm so grateful for what you have done, and let's keep on inviting more people to this channel. Let's proceed with solutions. Solution continues. Now, the second question says a word is randomly chosen from the word geoma, or a letter is picked from the word geoma. So now here you discover that the word geoma has 3 vowels. The first vowel is O, followed by A, followed by I. O, R, E. Okay, so this word has 3 vowels. As a result, we're going to have the probability of choosing a vowel is going to give you 3 out of 5. Why is it 3 out of 5? It is because in the word geoma, the word has got total of 5 letters. The word has a total of 5 letters, and out of the 5 letters, 3 are vowels. So the probability of picking a vowel from the word geoma is going to give you 3 out of 5. Great. Alternatively, you can still go back to the probability equation. So the probability of choosing a vowel is going to give you 1 minus the probability that the letter chosen is not a vowel. So when you look at the word geoma, J and M are not vowels. So here, 2 out of 5 letters are not vowels. So the probability of picking a vowel is going to be 1 minus 2 out of 5, which eventually is going to end up being 3 out of 5. Great. So if you're following, please consider liking this video. Don't just like it, subscribe to this channel, and then you can hit that bell notification icon so that the next time I'm going to upload a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Great. Let's continue. Right. So we have come to the end of this probability part 1. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you in the next lesson. From me, it's goodbye.